passengers.
Residents of Umroi and nearby villages voiced strong support for the Umroi Shillong Airport expansion during a public hearing on Tuesday, while urging upon authorities to ensure more job opportunities for the locals. Airport Director Rajiv Rajan said the project would extend the runway from 1,829 to 2,400 meters to handle larger aircraft like the Airbus A320 and expand the terminal building from 5,000 to 10,500 square meters. The project, now in the tendering stage, is expected to take 18 months to complete once work begins. Authorities assured the local villagers will get priority in employment, especially in semi-skilled and unskilled roles. Currently, about 70 to 80% of airport staff are locals. Rajiv Rajan added that as passenger traffic grows, the workforce could increase up to 3 or 4 times. The airport also plans CSR projects, including a school for visually impaired children and the diversion of a water channel to aid nearby farmers.
Basically, the Shillong Airport is being expanded. Right now, we have 1829 meters of runway. We are going to expand for another 571 meters. So total 2,400 meters will be the length of the runway. Then bigger aircraft like A320 can land here. Accordingly, we are going to expand the terminal building also. Presently, it is 5,000 square meters. After expansion, it will be 10,500 square meters. Besides that, we are going to increase the number of bay where aircraft are being parked and bigger aircraft will be parked. These are the main things. It's a same actually rate in terms of now it's a 3C code in terms of 3C code, and it will become 4C, something like that. It will become 4C codes. Yes.
So we have seen today, like most of the leaders of the villages, they have come with the full support for this expansion of airport.
It's a great.
But the main issues that they always raise is about employment. So can you tell us about the reservation for the local?
Actually, right now the expansion works will be taken over by the agencies. We will ensure that there's as far as possible the semi-skilled peoples, unskilled peoples are taken from the nearby villages. For others, we will ensure that according to their qualifications, needs, we will definitely ensure them that people from highly skilled and other specialized skills are also given the opportunities. It's almost around 70 to 80% people are from local here. We ensure that the agencies would employ the people are from nearby villages, so local people only. What will be the requirement? We will see. Definitely. Now, suppose that passenger footfall is 1.5 million per year. Suppose that then it will go to around. We hope that 5 to 6. So definitely the things will take 3 to 4 times. So because CSRs, right time, last time. We have taken up the Dhobi Ghat, something like that, and this time we have got the proposal from one blind school that proper facility and hostel facility should be there. We are working on it. So I can't say right now. So as far as it will take around 18 months, something like that.
18 months.
After a award, it will take 18 months. Hopefully, let's see what is.